everybody, welcome to the Ultimate Home Guide. Today I have Jamie and Phil with me, and we're going to talk about why you want representation as a buyer when you get ready to buy a home. We all know that you need representation as a seller for the marketing and the pricing and the negotiating that we do for you as a seller's agent. But today we're going to talk about why you need a buyer's agent. And so Jamie, I'm going to let you get started.
Absolutely. So the buyer's agent is no fee to you. The seller is going to pay me. I'm going to help you find a home. I'm going to be able to get you in the home so you can tour them. I can get you additional information, documentation like surveys or disclosures. And when we get ready to put an offer in, I will run numbers to make sure we're making a correct offer and not overpaying. Once our offer is in and accepted, then we'll go into an option period, which I will get inspections for you. We'll discuss those inspections. If any repairs are needed, again, I will negotiate that for you with the listing agent. This saves you a lot of trouble. I know some people feel like they can do everything on their own, but as a buyer's agent, it costs you nothing, so it's beneficial for you to use us.
The contract is actually the roadmap for the purchase of your home. And so it has all the important dates, which we keep track of and keep you on target so that you fulfill all your obligations to the contract so that everything runs smoothly. And you're also very protected during this process. So we take you from start to finish to close to get those keys and get you in your dream home. You know, Jamie, one thing we didn't mention that I think is important is that you don't really want to start looking for a home until you know you're qualified and what you can qualify for. So really the most important step, we do offer a session where we sit down and go over all the details, the ins and outs of buying a home. But one of the most important things in the first step to really getting prepared to buy your home is to make sure you're qualified for the loan so you know how much home you can qualify for. The last thing you want to do is look at homes you can't afford,
right? Because
then everything else looks just not very good.
And that's something I always try to stress with my buyers the first meeting. We can go look at houses, but if we're not looking in your price point, we're getting your hopes up for something that you don't qualify for. So pre-qualification is extremely important. In case you do find a home, we go to a showing and you love it and you want to put an offer in, we need that pre-qualification to be able to submit the offer for you.
And if you think you're going to buy in 6 months or 2 years, come sit down and talk to us, because you never know what might be on your credit. And your credit may be good, but maybe it could be better. So we can find ways to help you strengthen your credit scores so that you will be able to get the absolute best interest rate on the home that you're going to purchase. So there's a lot of reasons to talk to a lender and come see us a pretty far ways out so that we can help you be better prepared when we get ready to write that contract and purchase your home.
That's right.
And you know, there again, this is buying a home or selling a home is the largest investment that folks will ever make. And you all have your professions that you do every day and you're very good at it. But this is what we do all day, every day. And we know all the ins and outs of that offer, of that contract, how to represent you as best, negotiate as best we can for you. So we take it from start to finish, from walking in the house to handing you the keys at closing. So it's very important to have someone that is experienced and knowledgeable to represent you as a buyer's agent. And we hope when then you get ready to buy your home that you'll call us and let us help you get started and get you in your ultimate dream home, right?
Right.
Okay, thanks for tuning in today. We appreciate our time together, and call us if we can help you with anything. Bye-bye.
Thanks and giggle.